Scholars attending a recent thematic event in China's Houbei have spoken positively about China's efforts in promoting green development. More than 100 foreign experts and political party representatives attended the event on Chinese modernization and had a tour in various cities of Houbei.
Everyone is going green. We were in Houbei University, and they were showing us cars that were fully electric. So that's the future of transportation, electric, and China is taking the lead.
I think that's fantastic. We saw the huge windmills when we were coming here, and I saw a lot of solar panels as we're coming in. There's one behind me. Mm-hmm. So I know that is something that you can achieve because you're working very hard. And I think that will be helpful for the entire planet. So thank you for your efforts in this regard. Because if a country that is as strong as China is leading in this, I think it would help. Mm-hmm. And because you're passionate about helping other people, you can also share the technology that you're using.
I think this is very important, and you did a very huge, big job for this. I guess the ecological issue is one of most important for us, for generations, for future. And all that you did in this case is an example for us, for all the world, to see your experience and to try to make the best of it.